Want to turn written text into realistic AI speech? ElevenLabs text-to-speech is one of the most powerful voice generation tools available, allowing you to create natural-sounding voiceovers for videos, podcasts, audiobooks, presentations, and more. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the setup process. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll enter the text that you want the AI to convert into speech. Type or paste your script into the text box. For the most natural results, use proper punctuation and clear sentence structure. The better your script is written, the better the voiceover will sound. Next, select a voice from the available voice library. You can choose from different accents, tones, and speaking styles depending on the type of content you're creating. If needed, adjust settings such as stability, style, similarity, or speed. These controls can help fine-tune the voice and make it sound more natural or expressive. After everything is ready, click Generate. ElevenLabs will process the text and create your voiceover in just a few moments. Listen to the generated audio and make sure it sounds the way you want. If necessary, edit the text or settings and generate again. Once you're satisfied, download the audio file to your device, and that's how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech. With realistic voices, customizable settings, and fast generation, it's an excellent tool for creating professional voiceovers without recording your own voice. So experiment with different voices and settings to find the perfect sound for your projects. Thanks for watching.